How the travel agent can reserve a seat at the time of booking.
By making an advance request to the airline.
Right. A area code is used for which part of the airline?
Aisle.
Right. W area code is used for which part of the airline?
Window.
Right. What type of seat are available in most of the airlines?
Non-smoking seats.
Right. What type of seat is booked automatically when you give ST command?
Non-smoking seats.
Right. What command has to be given to reserve a seat for the passenger with medical conditions?
ST then /M.
Right.
Oblique M.
Right. What command has to be given to reserve a seat for an unaccompanied minor?
ST oblique unaccompanied minor na U.
Right. What command has to be given to reserve a bulkhead seat?
ST oblique B.
Right. What command is to be given to reserve a window seat?
ST oblique W.
Right. What passenger type code is used for unaccompanied minor?
U.
Right. What passenger type code is used for the passenger with medical condition?
M.
Right. What command is given to reserve a aisle seat?
What command is given? ST oblique A.
Right. When are many airlines called for a seat wish?
Seat wish is basically asked when the airline is not offering any kind of advance booking, then the passenger will make a preference of the seat and the seats are then booked by the airlines as per the preferences of the passenger.
Right. What code is used for smoking window seat?
What code is used for smoking window seat? Smoking window seat SM. Smoking window seat SMSW.
Right. What code is used for smoking aisle seat?
Smoking aisle seat SMSA.
Right. What code is used for non-smoking seat?
Non-smoking seat NSST.
Right. What command you will use to indicate the passenger seating preferences if an advance seating request isn't possible?
If advanced sitting request isn't possible, then ST/then 4-letter code.
Right. What code is used for the non-smoking bulkhead seat?
Non-smoking bulkhead seat NSSB.
Right. What code is used for non-smoking aisle seat?
Non-smoking aisle seat NSSA.
Right. What code is used for specific seat number?
What code is used for specific seat number? RQST.
Right. What code is used for smoking bulkhead seat?
Code is used for smoking bulkhead seat SM bulkhead seat SMSB.
Right. What code is used for smoking seat?
For smoking seat, what code is used for smoking seat? SMST.
Wrong. Right. Sorry. What code is used for non-smoking window seat?
Non-smoking window seat. Non-smoking window seat. NSST.
Again, please repeat.
Non-smoking window seat NSSW.
Right. What command must be given to reserve a seat for a handicapped passenger?
For a handicapped passenger, ST, then there is a oblique H.
Right. What passenger type code is used for infant passenger?
Code is used for infant passenger I.
Right. What passenger type code is used for handicapped passenger?
H.
Right. What command is given to reserve a seat?
To reserve a seat ST.
Weak area code is used for which part of the airplane?
Bulkhead seat.
Right. What command must be given to reserve a seat for the infant passenger?
For infant passenger ST, the transaction code oblique then I.
Right. What command has to be done?